So my mission, I was there before the age change and before they started dividing all the missions to like make room for all the new missionaries. So my mission was actually the Brazil Sao Paulo South and what is now the Brazil Santos mission. So in my mission you got, I guess you could say you have the best of all the worlds. Like, you know, you think of Brazil, you kind of think of like the Amazon jungle. You're like, okay, I'm going to be trekking through jungle and there's going to be a lot of cool stuff there. You think of like the beaches. And that's pretty much all I thought about was like beach and jungle. That's like Brazil. But in my mission, we got a huge part of the city of Sao Paulo. So it's like you got the big city, the high rises, and then as you kind of like move towards the beach, you got like the mountains and the jungle communities, you could call them. Like they're all cities. There were no villages or anything that I served in. And then you get down to the beach. So I was able to serve in all three areas in my mission, which was a really cool experience. So I kind of got, I guess you could say, like all of Brazil in my mission. The weather in Brazil, at least in Sao Paulo, it's kind of, for lack of a better word, it's kind of like bipolar. Like one minute it'll be really hot and sunny, the next minute it'll be raining. And then it'll be really cold and windy, and then it'll be hot and sunny again, and all that rain water will like start evaporating, so you're like walking through a sauna. It rains a lot. When I was down on the beach, one of my companion and I, we were teaching someone who was preparing to be baptized, and it just started pouring, raining like crazy. And I remember we looked outside and we was like, dang it, like last time our shoes got wet. Like, I don't want to get like the inside of my shoes all wet and stuff again. So we like thought we were all smart and like threw some plastic garbage sacks on our shoes, and we were walking out this building with like these grocery sacks on our shoes. And we step outside, and the moment we step outside that apartment, the water's already up to like the middle of our calves. And we're like, well, so much for the garbage bags. So we just like start walking, the water starts getting deeper. Like at the deepest point it was probably above my knees. So like I'm 6'2", so that's a decent amount of standing water in the streets. And I just remember like walking through that, just being like, what am I doing like right now? This is crazy. That's probably like my craziest weather story.